Hi guys, I'm Anastasia, this is my channel and today I will show you my June glossy box. This is my first glossy box and it was so excited to wait for it. So, the first it's Glossy magazine. And now we will start with the box. So there is the whole information about all products with prices. It's very convenient because you can read and find, for example, more information in the internet, and you have also prices. So if you like this product, you know how much it costs. The first product is Monica Dark Beauty High Definition Perfecting Powder. And I've already tried it and I can say that it's so amazing, but I also can say that it's bad. So it's like the usual powder. Color of this powder is almost white, so everyone can use it like the finish. Second product, it's matte lipstick. This is a Contour Cosmetics matte liquid lipstick. The number is 4. I've also already tried it and I can say that it's amazing, really. Now I will try it to apply on my hand. And I want to say that I'm not applying all products on my face now because I already have a video on my Instagram page of makeup with all products from GLOSSYBOX. So go to my Instagram page and watch the video. And we are going on, and now I will apply the lipstick on my hand. The lipstick is very soft. It's blended very nice. This is the color of this matte liquid lipstick. I'm not sure that the color looks the same like I see this color, but I hope that it looks the same. And now we will talk about the next product. So this is lip liner Rosewood from Karl Lagerfeld Plus Model Co. I'm not sure that I'm pronouncing right. And now I will also apply it on my hand and we will see. So I've already applied it, and I can say that the liner is soft and I'm in love with this color. Really, it's amazing. Look at this. So yeah, this is the color of a lip liner. The color is Rosewood. The last product is Vichy Slow Age Night Cream. I've already tried it and it's very nice. Look. This is both night cream and mask. So you can use it like mask and you can use it just like night cream. So you can choose. I can't stop. I want to eat it. It's amazing. So, these are all products that I've gotten in GLOSSYBOX, and if you haven't liked this video yet, you must do it now. And thank you all for being with me. Follow my Instagram page and my Facebook page, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't miss other interesting videos about makeup and everything. Thank you all, and bye bye!